it around. So in this video, I'm going to be showcasing how Supertech AI works. So I'm going to ask it some questions here about a gearbox breaking. I don't know what's going on with it. Um, it was just not working, and I wanted to explain to Supertech here what is going on. So I tell it it's making a grinding sound, and it does it every time it spins around. So revolution, I got some details. Supertech comes here and says, hey, well, is the grinding sound coming from the gearbox itself or another part of the system? I'm telling it definitely came from the gearbox. Like, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with this thing. I don't want to get a mechanic to come by. It takes too long. I want to see if I can fix it myself, but I don't want to run through YouTube videos, so Supertech's helping me out. So it's saying there's possible causes for grinding sounds from gears, misalignment, lube, whatnot. And then Supertech asks me, have I noticed anything else aside from the gearbox is overheating or vibration? And you know what? I'm thinking back. Yeah, I actually did notice that it was a little warm, but mainly there was a puddle of oil. Now that I think about it, and I have it nearby, I'm looking at it. Supertech is a bit formal, but Supertech tells me, hey, based on my info, that it's possible that there's not enough lubrication. It's all on the floor. Maybe there's a leak or some kind of wear and tear, something like that. And then it suggests that I check for misalignments or maintenance and whatnot. I tell Supertech, I checked it out a year ago, and then Supertech tells me, okay, then it's just possible. It's wear and tear, checking some oil quality and stuff like that. And then it just goes through other things like, okay, have I checked the oil level and all the other things here. So I tell it, hey, I haven't, but I'll check it. And the cool thing is that Supertech stores this, and I can come back to it later and say like, hey, I checked it out. And then Supertech will tell me the next steps. So that's just a rundown of how it works, and stay tuned for more updates on how it can work with specific document manuals. All right, stay tuned.